I'm Stuart Rutledge, Project Manager here at Aston Martin. We're here at the new Silverstone factory. Today we've got about 400 staff on site working in partnership with Juniper Networks as we create our new woodland area. Today we're planting about 750 trees. Let's go and take a look and see what's going on.
Juniper Networks and Aston Martin Formula One share common values around innovation, advanced engineering, as well as sustainability. So whether it is about developing race cars that will run on 100% renewable energy, or network infrastructure that consumes the least amount of energy and space possible, or planting trees like this in this wellness site around the new Aston Martin F1 factory, I think these are all signs of how important and how aligned this partnership is.
Yeah, it's great to see companies like Juniper getting involved in initiatives like this to try and be more sustainable and a greener future for us all.
So we're here with the family. We've got two young children with us, Charlotte and James. We've got Grandma with us as well. And yeah, we're here to plant some trees, just to see everybody out in the sunshine, enjoying themselves and doing something really good. And also coming together outside of work is fantastic.
So I'm actually delighted to be part of this venture. Juniper Networks for me is a quality brand, and I think we're also investing our time in something very meaningful longer term, and I think it's really important as a group we came together in our own time just to show how committed we are to this.
A day like today for Juniper Networks is all about being part of the Aston Martin Formula One team, being able to work together, plant the trees and actually be part of bringing the new factory online, outside as well as inside, means that we really do feel part of it, and it's great to involve more Juniper people in the whole partnership as well, you know, literally hands-on.
I could not be more impressed after taking the tour of this Aston Martin F1 new factory. Of course, it's going to be powered by Juniper Networks infrastructure. Such an amazing site. There's going to be some amazing technology that's developed and coming out the doors of this factory.
So Juniper Networks and Aston Martin Formula One are working together today in the environmental sense. We're planting trees as part of our joint commitment to sustainability. But on the technology side, we're committed to providing Aston Martin Formula One with a sustainable networking solution at their new technology campus.